Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
Hey, I'm Robert.
And I'm Abby.
And I'm Gary. And Dave.
Yeah, we are at the Vinton County Airport, just kind of planning.
The RCSaylors.
Oh, we're the RCSaylors
And company.
and company. And we're at the Vinton County Airport planning for RCS Fest. Believe it or not, there is some planning going on with this.
We got clipboards.
Clipboards,
Official.
maps, and we've brought some fun stuff to fly. Robert has his Mavic.
Yeah.
We've got some airplanes over here, and we're just gonna go have some fun. All right, Robert's getting his Mavic ready, doing it right with the table. I like that a lot. Oh, he does. He's got trucks. He's got,
2 trucks.
yeah,
Of these.
12428.
2 of those.
The point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Mavic in the air. Gary's got the DJI goggles on for the first time ever. I don't think he has any idea how close I am to his face. I think Abby's got the best seat in the house,
Pretty cold.
blocking the wind. So you guys will probably see in our update video, because this is just a little impromptu thing, you'll probably see some of his footage in our update video. That'll come soon to the channel. And David is going to fly Sportsman S Plus. I've seen you fly this on Facebook. And maybe on YouTube, but I know on Facebook.
Definitely.
Cool. We'll have a lot of this going on for RCS Fest.
Nathan, what'd you bring to fly?
I brought nothing! It was snowing this morning. It was snowing. We had like 3 inches of snow everywhere. And we drive up here 2 hours and there's no snow anywhere. Yeah, that doesn't make any sense.
I got a Champ S Plus. You want to fly?
I'll fly anything you let me fly.
Yeah. You want to fly it?
Yeah.
It's happy it has electricity.
Robert, he's hard to see, but he is there. All right, this is going to be cool. I want to get one of these for the channel. This is awesome. You establish your landing area, and it can do auto landings. He's doing that now. There's the crew way down there. See, this space is huge. There's Abby. This is going to be so much fun, RCS Fest. If you guys haven't registered yet, we'll have it linked in the description box below. You've got to register. We're trying to get a head count so we know how many porta potties to get and how many vendors we can get a hold of, if any. And where are the tents going to go? We'll give you guys all that info in an update video soon, but we're definitely doing this. It's Father's Day weekend, so what better time to get out with the family and have fun and learn where we learned to fly, at least where I learned to fly. And Abby will be doing this dance the whole weekend. The whole weekend. It's going to be a lot of fun. And we'll be here the whole time, hanging out with people. Sound like Robert is landed. Yep.
I need to learn this dance.
Okay, so you see what he's doing? He carried it out to like his max distance and he goes full throttle. That establishes like the direction that it wants to.
Landing point and direction.
Landing point direction. So it can do auto landings. Ooh! Left aileron, left aileron! Yeah! Yeah, I know. He's a stunt pilot. Guys, if you've never flown with an asphalt runway that's a mile long, then please come to RCS Fest. Abby and I will be here the whole weekend. Oh, the wind is crazy. Right now, the wind is pretty brutal, but we're still in the air. I'm glad you brought something to fly. Woo! I cannot wait to see 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 people on the flight line.
Left side.
Don't wreck his plane.
I would.
Oh, the hair. The hair like got blown in front of the camera.
I don't think I will.
Where are you at? There you are.
Right up there. I'll just not.
How many people did you shoot down, or planes? You shooting down planes?
Yeah, that's the whole time I fly RC planes. That's what I'm imagining. Yeah. It's heavy, but this is rock solid. Really cool. Time to land cause it's cold. Alright, we're over the grass. Okay, you got it. This is gonna be great. This is gonna be good. Yeah! Yeah, that was a good asphalt landing. Yeah. Very nice. Good job. It's in one piece.
Oh
Ah!
no! It hit the edge of the field.
Yeah, it did. You're at 0 throttle. What?
Oh wait, where's it going now?
Oh no!
What just happened?
Okay.
The plane.
Maybe I bumped the button.
The
Might have
plane
bumped-
decided
No,
to
I
take
might have bumped the button.
Oh man.
Alright, that was fun.
Oh no!
I bumped the button.
Wow.
Don't bump the button whenever you land.
Don't bump
Okay.
the button.
Don't bump the button.
Okay, here's another one.
Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Asphalt takes a while to get used to landing. You're still in one piece.
Stay.
What we're gonna do is
Stay.
Okay. For those of you that are coming to RCS Fest, you'll probably get to experience Mom Marini's Pizza, the best pizza in the world. We are all going to go do that right now, and we're very excited. We only got to do a little bit of flying, but a lot of planning. We're looking forward to RCS Fest, and please go ahead and register so we can count on you coming. Everything will be linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Yeah.